Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this nice purple gold look that I posted online, and also not just online, but I have filmed a video with this look, and everybody was saying this is giving me like Kobe Bryant vibes, because you know earlier this year we did lost a legend, and a lot of people was saying this is giving me Kobe vibes on IG, and I'm like, should I call this Kobe Bryant? Is it too late to honor? You know, never too late, right? So I think that's what I'm gonna call it. So hi guys, so today I'm gonna be taking the Lorac Pro palette. I'm gonna be taking that orange color. It's like an orange. This orange color is the perfect transition shade, and I'm glad you guys call this the Kobe Bryant tribute tutorial, is because I filmed 3 looks prior to this, and this one turned out to be my favorite, hands down. And the other looks was like, I don't know. But, yeah. So I'm just going to be taking this orange shade. I'm going to be applying it to the lid as our transition color. And I am using the Some Exact palette. And I'm going in and use that darkish. This is like a grayish black. But this looks so gray. And the palette that is coming out to turn out to be like more of a black. So I'm like, okay, so that's already dope. So I'm just going to be taking it and I'm going to be applying it to the crease. And also, I love the fact that I had to use some makeup wipes because I had a lot of fallout. So we had to take care of that. We had to take care of that, okay? The LA Color Pro Artistry palette is so dope. I was like, oh my gosh, so I love these colors. These two are my favorite colors so far. And I'm just taking the orange and I'm cleaning up the black so there won't be like any harsh lines. So I'm trying a new technique. Usually I go straight into concealer once I do this, but I've been seeing on Instagram where the girls are like using makeup wipes to cut their crease, and mine's kind of a fail just a little bit, okay? But we're gonna work on it. This is new technique, so don't too much come for me, okay? Okay. And then I've also been using them, seeing them use a makeup remover with a Q-tip. So I might try that in my next one. My next one I might try to do something like that. But I was like, oh, this is kind of cool, okay? So I just tried my best. I tried my best to cut the crease, and then we're gonna go in with concealer. And earlier I had on some false lashes, and I always, you know, have trouble getting the glue off. So let me know if any techniques with glue, with eyelash glue that you guys use to remove everything. So I'm going in with the BH no, this ain't BH. This is the Beauty Treats eyeshadow palette. I tried doing the little eyeshadow, the little bit of eyeshadow, and then boom, bam, boom, but no. And I'm gonna say why it was a fail. This video, I was just trying to like come up with different techniques, you guys. we gonna focus on it. Okay, so this is like quarantine. I've been trying different stuff. I've been coming out of, you know, my comfort zone. So, you know, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. And yes, I do have that video already up where I tried different steps and techniques. Girl, I'm bored. I'm talking y'all to death. But I applied the purple. And yeah. So I applied the purple. And I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm using this little eyeliner brush from Wet Wine. See, I'm going to tell you where I went wrong at. I was supposed to do the concealer first. Then I was supposed to apply, like how, you see how half cut that is? That is where I was supposed to apply the eyeshadow right after I did that little half cut. We're going to get it together. So, we're going to get it together. But as of this point, I'm cutting the crease. So it kind of did work out, but it did. So, but we're gonna work on our new skills and stuff that I'm trying to. So you guys remember that loose powder that I always used to love, that Ulta loose powder, and I think her name is Meza. That's what I'm using today, and I'm applying it all over to the lid. And guys, this is a perfect loose eyeshadow, and in the same color that I used for the Beauty Treats palette, I just applied it right back onto the lid and connect it with the gold pigment. So that's what I will end up doing with this look. Now I had fun because Club World was on. I was like, hey. Club World is actually a club on Facebook where you need to go and check out because the DJ is hot. Facebook.com Keyshawn Sims Quarantine Party. Now I'm going to be taking those eyeliners from Amazon. I have it in my community section where you actually can get it on AliExpress. And I actually got the little liner down pack. Hey, of the Crease, okay? Sis, we doing something. We doing something. So I got that done, and I applied it to the upper part of my crease and the upper lash line. And then I am going to be applying some lashes. Actually, I'm going to make sure that I put some eyeshadow back in place that probably got covered up by the eyeliner. And now I am taking glitter, and I'm going to pack it on the lid, and I'm going to be taking some eyelashes, and I think that's it with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know what you guys thought of it. Bye.